Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily recover deleted video on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put your likes under the video, and write comments. And let's friends, we are going to start our video and our topic. So friends, let's say if you have a situation that you accidentally deleted a video from your gallery, or you deleted a video, and then you realize that you still want to return it. It is not difficult to do. In order to do that, please go to the gallery on your phone and scroll down. At the bottom, friends, you will see this kind of section where you will find the deleted option. So please click on that. And click See Album. If you have Face ID or a password for your phone, then you will need to Face ID or enter your password to confirm that it's really you. Then, friends, find the video you want. Click on it, and in order to restore it, you'll need to click on the word Restore at the bottom right. Confirm your actions. And as you can see right away, the video was restored. And also I want to say, friends, that you can restore the deleted video for 30 days after you deleted it, because after 30 days, everything that is in the deleted folder in the gallery will be automatically deleted forever. Friends, here is such a simple and quick method you can easily recover deleted video on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write comments. See you soon, friends.